Hi friends, today we are going to be looking at a word pattern, or two word patterns actually. So I first want you to look at these words, fox and torn. How do they look similar and how do they look different? How do they sound similar and how do they sound different? So fox and torn. Let's look at the next word, spot, and our next word, short. Are we starting to see a pattern here? Fox, spot, torn, short. Our next word is rot. So we have fox, spot, rot. Those are all rhyming words. And we have torn, short, and now we have storm. So with those words, how do they look similar and different? And how do they sound similar and different? So if we look at our pattern here, we have a short O. And a short O makes a ah sound. So we have pond, we have shop, we have trot. And if we look at this over here, when the letter O is followed by the letter R, so we see this R here, the vowel sound is no longer short, but has the OR sound you hear in for. So O, R together will make the OR sound. So if we see the word for, it has the OR, so it makes that OR. We see the word corn, OR, or, corn. And we see torn, we see OR, so we know that says OR. So short O, pond, shop, trot, and OR is for, corn, and torn. There are many words in the English language that follow this pattern. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to challenge you to find these words. So your Monday task is to listen to your word pattern, which is what you are doing right now. So you watch the video, that's what you're doing right now, and you're going to read through your word list. And then you're going to add words to the list that follow this pattern. So find words that have the short O sound, like shop, pond, spot, drop that ah sound. And add words that have this OR sound. So sport, storm, short, horn. So go ahead and listen to those words, say them out loud, say them in your head, whisper them to yourself, and find words that have the same pattern. If you have any questions, please let me know.